Hi, we're Debbie and little Pip. Come and join us on our adventures, traveling in our camper van, far and wide.
Hi, my name's Debbie and this little girl's Pip, and we are busy packing our van to go on a trip. So with my little Jayco FD 19-1, hasn't got a lot of storage, so I'm sharing a few things I've learned along the way on where I store things, how I go about different things in the van. Well, let's go. Let's get packed up. I place a small plastic step outside the back door so that I can step up onto it to help make the bed from the outside. That step is then stored in behind my toilet in the ensuite. There you go, bed made. Not perfect, but we are camping. Also, I can share a little secret with you. Inside these pillows is extra blankets. So I will never be cold. They make for good pillow stuffing, and they're multi-purpose. Everything in camping needs to have a couple of purposes. So that's what I do in there. Beside my bed, against the wall of the shower, is my electric bike, and beside that is my box where my shoes go. At the head of my bed, overhead cupboards have card games, spare tea towel, toilet rolls, whatever I can fit into those little containers, which I'll put a photo in at the end. The last cupboard at the back end of the van is my winter clothes, all in little storage bags which I got from Kmart, and I'll insert a photo of those. At the foot of my bed, in the first cupboard at the back of my van, has my summer clothes. The cupboard heading back towards the kitchen, this is a messy cupboard. It's got my fly spray, my charge cables, my grinder, and my favourite coffee cup. Under the kitchen sink are my plates, bowls and toaster, and with plasticware tucked around the side. Underneath that is my coffee machine and my air fryer, and my little kettle sits on top. On the door I have my Glad wrap and plastic bags. Underneath the microwave in the small cupboard, that's where I keep my saucepans, induction hot plate, and my toaster that goes on my gas. This little cupboard above the table is my bathroom cupboard. This is the linen organiser from Kmart. On this trip I am carrying 2 20-litre tubs to carry water for free camping. In the storage over the driver and passenger seat, I carry a living in the bubble fly screen, a mini Starlink, a bag with broom fittings and a little fan, a thermocell, camp shower and cooler bag. I've taken my 2 hoses out, solid hose and my freshwater hose. In this compartment there is gas bottle and just a few accessories. Down on this side, and there's not a lot of storage on this side. I've just kept oil and stuff in there. So in here I've got 1, 2 tables, 1, 2, 3 chairs, 2 solar panels, a mat for the ground, a stool to put my feet up on, some tie downs for the awning when I put that out. That's a little chair for Pip to sit on, and that's just a collapsible bucket. And that just pushes in. and a pair of pliers that fell out. Now for packing up. Fresh water hose and filters. All done. Hope you like the new format of my videos going forward. I've spent ages teaching myself how to create a start to my videos, and I'm working on thumbnails, but I will not be doing the surprise faces and all that. That doesn't do anything for me. I'll briefly describe what my video is about, and then you can choose if you want to watch or not. Yeah, that's where I'm at the moment. See? You enjoying that? Hey? You enjoying that? Bye. Well, let's go.